Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to import reviews from Amazon to Shopify. So let's get started. First, you just have to create or sign up for Amazon, okay, if you don't have an account yet, and also sign up for Shopify. So of course, if you have your Shopify store and you're selling some products here and that you can see in Amazon, all you have to do is to simply, of course, import your product here on Shopify. Now, in case that you have the same product here on Amazon and you want to import some reviews from Amazon because you are selling the same product here. So what you want to do is to simply grab a picture if you can and look at down below if the reviews on this product is okay, it's fine. Okay? As a customer, we prefer to look at the review first before buying the product. Of course, I think that is very important to know what is this product's advantage and disadvantage, the pros and cons of buying this product, and to see if it's too good to be true or it's really a good item to buy. Okay, so in order for you to add this reviews on your Shopify store, specifically from Amazon reviews, all you have to do is to simply go to your Shopify, and then what you want to do is to go to apps. Okay, that is Shopify store. Okay, so go to apps, and then here what you want to do is to go to the search bar and then kindly type the review. Okay, so all you have to do is to look for this and install this to your Shopify account or store. So as you can see, Ali Reviews is not just all about AliExpress or whatsoever, okay? If you go to Inspired, there are tons of Ali Reviews here. Look for this application, Ali Reviews, okay? This one with the pink icon or, logo, tap this one. And as you can see here, collect reviews and improve sales. You can collect and import some reviews from AliExpress, Amazon, and other store here. You can go to this bar to know more about this Ali reviews. So as you can see, import your products reviews from AliExpress and Amazon with just a click of a button. Okay, so display reviews and a beautiful review widget on your homepage. Product pages showcase Amazon and AliExpress reviews with stars in Google Shopping feed. And here are also the advantages of installing this to your Shopify store. Now, once you're okay with this and once you're 100% sure that you want to use this one or this application, all you have to do is to click install. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So as you can see here, the next thing to do is to install app. Okay, so it needs authorization. And once you're okay with this, go to this button right here and then tap install application. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing again. So once done, this is what it looks like. And don't worry, this one is very easy to use. So we have here plans, basic or premium. And as you can see, of course, we need to sign for free, even if it's limited because this is just for tutorial. But if you want to upgrade your plan and, unlock these features here, then you have to upgrade your plan to premium. But for now, that is just for tutorial and we don't want to purchase at this very moment. So let's sign up for free. And as you can see, welcome to Ali Reviews. And you can start tutorial if you want, but let's just tap X for now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, what you want to do here is to simply go to this board and then go above. You can see features here, dashboard, manage reviews, okay, and other things here, but let's just tap this manage reviews. And then here you can see the product that you have imported to your Shopify or the products on your Shopify store. And as you can see, we have here import reviews and manage reviews. So let's just say this one. Okay, so this product has the same item on Amazon or same image on Amazon. And what you want to do here is to simply scroll down and see if the Amazon's reviews are okay and totally fine. And it is a big advantage to your Shopify store. So you have to tap this import reviews, click Amazon import, and then for URL, you just have to simply go to that specific website, this one from Amazon, right click or Control-C to copy or right-click to copy, okay, and then go back to your Shopify. And yes, what you want to do is just simply paste it right here, Control-V to paste or right-click and then look for paste, and that's it. And then below you can choose should have images or don't import, reviews deleted, and should have feedback, text, everything's up to you. Number of reviews, you can decrease or increase, and then once done, click import. Then there, you will see this 10 reviews imported. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is, okay? And don't worry, you can manage your review, or if you want to change something, you just have to click it again, import reviews, and then change this. Okay, you should have images, and okay, everything is up to you. Now, if you want to decrease, if you just want 3 number of reviews, then it's okay. Okay, so what you want to do is to simply import, and you can also include country if you want. So this is what it looks like when people visit your Shopify store. They will see if this reviews right here. Okay, so that's it. Now we have options here, view product if you want, or other features there. You can just simply click delete reviews, okay, and other things. That's it. That's how easy it is to import reviews from Amazon. So if you want to look for other items here on your Shopify store and you see that it has the same item or that item itself is from Amazon, then all you have to do is to simply click this import reviews again, look for that item, scroll down if it has positive and good reviews, of course. Okay, we have to be careful with that of course this item should have positive and good reviews. Okay, so once done, copy that link and then you just have to simply import. Okay, so let's just say you want to add product here. Okay, you just have to add product, import the file or the image, and then click import reviews, and then there you just have to simply copy the link from Amazon. Okay, always remember that you have to choose Amazon here. Copy, go back, and then paste that URL here. Okay, don't forget this Amazon import. Okay, choose the number of reviews and then tap from any of the options here and then click import. So yeah, that's how easy it is to import reviews from Amazon to Shopify. A piece of a reminder, you should always be careful when it comes to importing reviews. You have to make sure that this one is from Amazon, okay, and not from other websites. So I really hope that this video somehow helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!